She packed her life in boxes with bruises on her soul, 3 little names in silence that only God could hold. She left a house of shadows and took the long road out. No friend to call her by name, just tears and holy doubt. She cried through the night, she cried through the day. Her mother still standing, though everything broke away. Then 2 small hands reached for her and pulled her back to life. She heard a gentle voice say, "You're still here, survive." Jesus held me close in the dark, in the dark. Jesus held me close when my heart fell apart. I lost 3 little lights, but I'm not lost now. He led me through the valley and brought me out somehow. She wore her hurt like weather for years inside her skin. Teenage hands, empty bottles, and a marriage full of sins. She learned how pain can follow like dust on a worn coat, but mercy found her slowly when she had no hope. She cried through the night, she cried through the night, she cried through the day. Her mother still standing, her mother still standing, though everything broke away. And 2 small hands reached for her and put her back to life. She heard a gentle voice say, "You're still here, survive." Jesus held me close in the dark, in the dark. Jesus held me close when my heart fell apart. I lost 3 little lights, but I'm not lost now. He led me through the valley and brought me out somehow. She had to be the strong one, she had to be the hope, a husband for her boys now, when she was walking alone. And when the night got heavy, he met her in the aid. God kept her in the river till the sorrow had to break. Jesus held me close in the dark, in the dark. Jesus held me close when my heart fell apart. I lost 3 little lights, but I'm not lost now. He led me through the valley and brought me out somehow. From the ashes to the dawn, she still sings his name. Not every wound is finished, but grace can stay the same. Her boys are living reasons, her tears became a prayer. And where she walked through darkness, the Savior met her there.